So my name is Rosalynn Daniels, and I'm with RosalynDaniels.com, and I am a contributor for Craft Box Girls. And today I'm here to celebrate National DIY Day with you by making marbled flower pots. So as you can see, I have the flower pots set around, and it's something that you can enjoy for spring. It's easy to make, and they look lovely. Everyone loves everything marbled, so this is something that you'll love and you can actually use. Now, if you guys haven't already done so, please don't forget to sign up for or to apply for the giveaway. There's $150 worth of items that you can win, sponsored by Michaels. All you have to do is just comment, like, and if you want to increase your chances of winning, just go ahead and tag a friend. All right, so can some of the people let me know where they're coming from today? Let's see. Hey, Chan. Hey, Melanie from East Tennessee. Ooh, okay, and Cassandra from Nashville. I love Nashville. I like the Amelia's flower truck. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I love that flower truck. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I just kind of set up everything so you can just easily see how you do this. So you guys know you can do this without gloves, but when I made these, I did them without gloves, and I messed my nails up so bad that I was just like, you know what? Tell everybody to use gloves, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So to get this project started, all you need to do is to start with a pair of gloves. Has anybody done anything marbled before? Let's see. I haven't seen anyone yet. Oh, here we go. Oh, and Sharon from Virginia. Hey, Sharon. I'm sorry, I'm on a delay. I'm from Virginia Beach. I don't know where you're from, but yay to VA. Okay, so you want to get started with your gloves, and you want to put down some paper or newspaper to have, so you can have a space where you can just mess up and just toss it away. When I make these, I usually am in the garage or outside, but for you guys today, I'm in my kitchen. And I don't want to mess up the countertop, so we're going to use some craft paper. Too many ones that I already did, and we're going to use those to hold down the paper. Okay. There we go. All right, so we have our paper down for our area, and you just want to start off with a terracotta pot. You can use a plain pot. Don't use the plastic ones because the paint doesn't stick to it as well when you're doing the marbling. And so I just used a matte acrylic paint. You can get this from your local craft store, Michaels possibly, and you're just going to use this to paint your terracotta pots. So since we have a lot of pots, I bought a big one. Okay. And with this paint, you can just probably paint it about 20 minutes before you start the marbling process, because it dries really fast. Now, has anyone been doing anything to celebrate National DIY Day today? Let's see. And you guys don't forget to comment that I enter you in for the $100 to Michaels. So all you're gonna do is just paint your pots, and when you're done, your pot will look like this. Now, when I first did this craft, I was looking around all on the web to try to find a way to do this craft without nail polish, because that's what you're gonna need to do this. As you can see, they're here. And the reason they are here is because I tried it with a whole bunch of different paints, and honestly, it just did not come out right. And so I broke down and did nail polish. Am I the only one who just, I don't know, feels weird about using nail polish to do crafts? I just feel like I could be putting this on my nails, not on a craft, but hey, it works and it comes out beautiful, so just go ahead and do it. So you're gonna have, you're gonna use nail polish. You can use old nail polish or you can go get some. It doesn't matter what brand. I just got some cheap dollar nail polish. It does the trick, okay? Let's see, anybody else there with me with the nail polish? No. Okay. So you have your pots ready, and what you're gonna do next, you wanna get a large bin that you don't mind messing up. You can get a large plastic bin for about $1, $1.50, and you want to fill it with water. Now I apologize, but I'm gonna have to be right back because I have to get you some water. Okay, so you want to put water inside of your container. You don't have to fill it up. You can do about a quarter of water. And now let me tell you, you can just put the nail polish in there and then do what we need to do to marbleize the pots, but you're not going to get the look that you really want. So what I did, if you're using white pots, you want to put a little bit of white paint inside of your water, okay? So I would say about a tablespoon of white paint. And then all I did was just mix that up. So then when you dip your pots into the water, if any of the paint comes off, because I did find a little bit of the paint came off, it just kind of just covers that up so you won't even notice that the paint is slipping a little bit. So, okay, now you have your milky water. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it'll look like. And then you want to get some of your favorite colors of your nail polish to start making your designs for your marble look. Okay, so how's everybody doing? Do we have anyone who's done this before? Ooh, someone's making outdoor lights. Oh my gosh, you guys are really going. Okay. Oh, thanks for my kitchen, Lynn. Okay, so let's get back to the project. Alright. So you have your milky water. And all you're going to do, you guys, this is so easy. You're going to take your favorite paint colors, and I think actually I'm going to do almost a navy blue and a hot pink, because who doesn't like blue and pink, right? And that's almost kind of what I did for this one. This is more of a turquoise and an orangey pink. But all you're gonna do is just take your nail polish and you're going to drizzle it into the milky water. And you can do like a zigzag design, you can do little circles, but just remember that it will spread a little bit, but it makes this film where it kind of it stiffens up and it stays in place. So once you put the nail polish in there, there's not much that you can do with it afterwards. So kind of zigzag it where you want it to be and just watch the magic happen. So I'm gonna do this nail polish in a zigzag going this way. And then I'm going to take the pink and I'm going to zigzag it the opposite way to create a natural design. Now, when doing my research on this, I saw a lot of people would use sticks to kind of like move the paint and make their own design. And I'm here to tell you that that really does not work, okay? When you do that, it's like the paint gets stuck around the stick and you'll be so frustrated with it that I'm telling you, just don't even waste your time doing it, okay? So so you can see this. You see how the paint, can you see this? How the paint is just kind of forming or staying true to its form as I'm tilting it over. That shows you that it's not really going anywhere, but that's the design that you're gonna have on your pot. And it's even sticking to the container. So all you're gonna do is just take your white pot and you're just gonna dip it into the mixture and roll it, okay? And I like to put my finger in the little hole to just get that grip to roll, all right? So we're gonna start from one side and we're gonna roll it. Look, you guys, I'm sorry, but I'm still excited every time I see this because I think it's so awesome. Okay, so this is one side. There wasn't enough to go on the other side, so all I'm gonna do, put my pot to the side. I'm gonna add a little bit more paint. Okay. And we're just gonna get the other side done. So we just started here. We're gonna put this down and just spin. So I'm gonna do it this way so we can make sure we get the whole pot. Down and spin. Okay, and there you go. You have your marbled look. So let's do a few more colors and see how, I wanted to do black and I wanted to see how that turned out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this out. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay. And you don't have to pour it every single time that you're doing a new pot. It's just, since I wanna use a different color, I just went ahead and started with a fresh new thing of water. And it still has some of the white paint in it, but I'm just gonna add just a teeny bit more. So what did you guys think of the blue and pink? Are there any other colors you wanna see? I feel like this black is gonna give a real like marbled look. Like it's gonna start looking like gray and white. Let's see. Ooh, purple and green. Let's see, I don't have purple and green, I'm sorry. I apologize about that. Let's see. Hey, Catherine. Hi, Olympius. Let's see. Super cute and easy way to add color to your flower pot. Yeah, you're so right about that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do a black one, and let's see how this one turns out. So I'm just gonna do black. As you can see in the other ones that I've done, I always add a second color, but I just wanna give this one a try and let's see how it turns out. So let's do our zigzag. And let's see. Okay, you guys, I'm so anxious for this one because I have high hopes. Let's see, can we fit this one? We can fit this a little bit. So I know it's gonna take me a few times to do it, but let's just go for it. What do you guys think? It looks almost like, I feel like it's a little cowy looking, little spots. I don't know if that gives the marble look that I'm really looking for, but we can try it a little bit more on the other side. Maybe let's try a different motion of laying it down. So let's maybe do a circle motion. Okay. Let's see how this turns out. Ooh. Ooh. You guys, I think we're on to something. Okay, what do you think about this? I really like this one. What do you guys think? Okay, so we have our marbled pots. Let's just move this out the way. And you can also do it with the little plates that go that go under the pots. So let's just do a quick one real quick. That has a little bit of the black in it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this light blue. Let's see what happens. We have the color on the outside, not as much on the inside, but if I did the water a little deeper, I'm sure we could just dip it right in there and get the look that we're going for a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have our pots done, I'm anxious to see, what did you guys think of the black one? Let's see. You thought it was beautiful? Yeah, I thought it was nice. Oh yeah. A marble small pot would look really cute for pen storage. So, like if you did one of those instead of the ivy leaves, great. So, okay, so after you do your pots, you wanna let them dry overnight. And then once they dry overnight, you just want to spray them with clear acrylic, a sealer, and just let them dry for about another 30 minutes, and you're good to go. You can use them immediately after that. I put tulips in my pots. I have ivy for my pots for my son Ivy in honor of him. And I think that's about it. So you guys, I'm so happy that you guys joined me today. Happy National DIY Day to you guys. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Remember, all these people that commented, you're getting extra entries. So kudos to you. You can tag some people and leave more comments. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm Rosalynn Daniels.